Hello and good morning from Phuket in Thailand. We're in Patong at the minute and we're still continuing our travel adventures for November 2022. Today we're going to make our way back out of town again. Where are we going to go to today, Shaz?
Heading off to Kata, see if Robbie have a surf.
Alright, This will be very interesting. I haven't surfed for probably about 4 years, so probably going to be...
Stay tuned for the stacks.
Yeah, there'll be more stacking than surfing. And we're going to show you our little adventure of the south coast of Phuket, Thailand in November 2022. So we'll see you out there.
There's lots of work going on replacing the power poles that were damaged after the rain. Coming into Coron, there was a bit of a traffic jam there. So it's 10:30 in the morning and they've decided that they would paint the pedestrian crossing. As you do.
Coron's the first town over the hill from Patong, and when you just come over the hill, it's only about, what, 5-minute ride to Coron, and then Kata's the next town. Kata's about 7 k's from Patong, all up about, at the most, 15-minute bike ride.
It's a lovely ride, nice easy ride. The hills are beautiful, it's nice and cool coming through the hills. We don't usually come to Coron Beach, we find it too flat, like it's a massive big bay. So we're at Kata Beach and Rob's hired a surfboard. And he's going to head out and give it a go.
Yeah, well, why not? I'm not like I'm going to hurt myself. The waves are pretty small.
And how much was it?
200 baht for an hour and 15 minutes.
Oh, easy. Have fun.
Cheaper than your helmet.
Good job. He's gone, Rob. So you went and got new wax on the board?
Yeah, a bit too quickly for an old man. After a swim and a surf, we went for a walk down to the southern end of the bay for a quick look around. What? What? You're gonna get some of those sexy pants?
Nah.
Huh. How's your day so far going?
Very good.
Yes? Did you have a nice swim?
Yes. And then it rained on us.
Whoops. Oh.
But it didn't matter because we were already wet, so it's okay. It's all cleared up now. It's beautiful.
It is.
Just walking down the Kata markets on the beachfront. Just gonna get a coconut to hopefully help with my upset tummy. And yeah, probably buy some lunch down here as well. How's your day?
Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. Caught away, but then a 12-year-old kid showed me up, so.
Just on the beach road, there are heaps of market stalls and food stalls with a big range of food choices.
Popcorn Gap, that looks delicious. And now we have to walk all the way back to the beach. If you decide to, you can get a massage right beside the beach.
Hold on when you need a friend, I'll never let you go again. Reach out when your mind's uneasy, 'cause I'll understand. Hold on when you need a friend, I'll stay here to the end. Get up, don't hang your...
The afternoon has rolled on and it's getting late now, about 4 o'clock, and we've had a great day down at the beach at Kata. We're going to make our way back home.
All this time, all it needed was a little spark.
This one, okay, I give you 250.
Okay, so we're just winding up our day down at Kata Beach. I've had a beautiful day. I went out for 2 surfs and caught a few waves. So pretty happy about that. How was your day, Shaz?
I slept on my sunbed.
Oh, gee, that sounds tough.
No, it was not.
Okay. So one of the only things that you may notice when you come to Phuket, and certainly coming from Western countries as Australia, one of the things our councils do pretty well is they have public toilets and public showers after you've been to the beach. Unfortunately, they don't have those sort of facilities around. So you've got to be careful. You might have to go to a restaurant or a bar or something like that, get a drink, and then you get access to the toilets then if you need to. So just thought we'd let you know. Other than that, a brilliant day at Kata Beach, and we're going to head off now, and we'll see you in the next Rob and Shaz travel adventure. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Hold on when you need a friend, I'll never let you go again. Reach out when your mind's uneasy, 'cause I'll understand. Hold on when you need a friend, I'll stay here to the end. Get up, don't hang your head, we'll take it step by step. Fell inside, now I'm living in a matchbox. All this time, all it needed was a little spark. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head.
And as usual, we like to end the day trip with a beer at the Double Shot Bar in Osog.
Thanks again for watching our Robshaz Travel Adventures. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos.